Hi friends, now I will show you how to download the MongoDB server, how to do the installation, how to connect it to the Mongo server. I will show you. First log into MongoDB website and download the MongoDB server. Okay. Log into MongoDB website. MongoDB.com and go to software. Here we have community server, enterprise server, developer tools, Compass, Ops Manager, and connectors. Click on community server to download the community server. Enterprise server is there, but actually it's a licensed version. I don't want that. I want community version only. Here you can choose the version and platform and what is the package, either MSI or compressed zip format, whichever the format, Microsoft installer or compressed zip, any one of the format you can download it. And platform, whichever the platform version is required, either Linux or Windows, whichever the platform software is required, then you just choose it. So we have Windows, Ubuntu, SUSE, SUSE Linux, and Red Hat is there, CentOS is there, Mac OS is there, Debian supported software is there, Amazon Linux, Linux 2 platform it will support. So you can choose whichever the platform software is required, then you just choose it. I'm going to download the Windows compatibility software. I'm choosing, and version 4.2 is the latest one. Here I'm choosing the 4.0. Okay, click on download. Once you selected all these three fields, click on download. Yeah, it's downloading. 42 seconds left, 34 seconds left. Just wait for 5 minutes. Download is completed. Then open the software. Okay, open the software. Welcome to the MongoDB 4.09019. So click on next. So we downloaded 4.019. Accept the license and click on next. We have complete and custom. Custom is you have to select it manually, whichever the options are required: server and client and monitoring tools and import and export tools and router and miscellaneous tools. So you have to select it manually. And software location is C program files MongoDB server 4.0, and I'm going to install the complete install MongoDB as a service. So service is MongoDB and run service as network service user account. So if you want to choose your own domain account, then you can choose it also. Now I am going to select the network service user only, and service name is MongoDB, and data directory is C program files MongoDB server 4.0 and data. C program files MongoDB server 4.0 and log is log directory. But actually I'm installing in C directory, but actually in C is for softwares. And even though data directory and log directory, I specified C directory, but actually in organizations, nobody will prefer in C directory. C directory dedicated to softwares only, but you just give the other locations, D and E, whichever the drives are other than C drive. So you can specify those only, but organizations will not prefer. Okay, this is my test mission. That's why I am using a C drive only. Okay. MongoDB Compass is not required. Click on install. It will not take much time. Click on yes. Click on finish. Completed. MongoDB installation is completed. Yes, we'll see. Is it completed or not? Completed. Yes, we'll see. How to verify whether it is completed or not? One is software location and other one is go to services, whether the service is installed, service is created or not. We can check, and once the service is created, then we'll verify the service is started or not. If the service is not started, then we'll start it, but auto started initially. Okay, if you stop, then you have to start it manually. So just go down to check the MongoDB. Where is the MongoDB? Yeah, this is the MongoDB server. Yeah, successfully we installed the MongoDB server, and it is running. And one more way, what is the installation path? So we'll go and check. We'll go and verify in C drive. Okay, program files, MongoDB server 4.0 bin directory. This is the software location, and this is the data directory location. This is the log directory location that we chose. Okay, yeah, installation is done. Completed. Now I will show you how to connect to the MongoDB. Just enter Mongo connected. Run the show DBs. It shows the default databases. So this is the way how to download the MongoDB from MongoDB server from MongoDB website. Once you downloaded the software, just open the software and choose the options to select the software directory and data directory and lab directory to install the MongoDB software. Once you installed, then verify the service status. If it is not started, then start it. And 4.0 we installed and we connected also. So this is the way to download and install and connect into the MongoDB. That's all. Download of MongoDB server and installation of MongoDB and connecting to the MongoDB. In my further videos, I will explain about CRUD operations and MongoDB activities. Please follow my videos and please do practice. If you have any doubts, please just drop a comment and I will reach you. Please subscribe and share. Thank you very much for watching my videos.